In this video, I'll show you how to use projects in Claude AI. Projects help you organize related chats, files, and work in one place. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll look at the left sidebar and find a section labeled Projects. To create a new project, I'll click Projects, and then select New Project. A window will appear asking me to enter a name for the project. I'll type the name of my project, then confirm to create it. Once the project is created, it will appear in the Projects section in the sidebar. Next, I'll click on the project to open it. Inside the project, I can start a new chat that will be saved within that project. To do that, I'll click the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you?" and type my prompt. This conversation will now be stored inside the project, keeping it separate from other chats. I can continue adding more chats to the same project if I'm working on related tasks. Projects are useful for organizing research, planning projects, writing documents, or managing ongoing work, because everything stays grouped together. And that's it, I've successfully created and started using a project in Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.